Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Do you remember the BMW X5 that I bought from Mr. Mike Brewer and James at One Automotive that sounded like an absolute bag of nails? We're fairly certain that it needed a timing chain, and I did a video saying, you know, could this car be terminal, because it could have had some seriously bad issues with it. We were assuming it needed a timing chain, but until we got into it, we really didn't know. In fact, I asked you to give me your opinion in the comments, and a lot of you did, and a lot of you were quite mean, actually. Some of you were saying, you're not a car dealer, I wouldn't buy a car from you. Some of you said the car was scrap and we completely overpaid, and, you know, maybe you were right. In fact, one of those comments that really stuck in my head was one that said, you ain't so cocky now, are ya? Well, I'm not too proud to not be able to admit when I was wrong. But it won't be today, because our BMW X5 is now running like an absolute dream with no horrible noises whatsoever. This is my cocky face. This thing has had a whole new timing chain, an absolute ton of work actually, of which I can't remember it all. But if you want to see all the work that was done on this car, then head to our friend Ben Thompson's channel, where he did a full video on all the work he did on this. The engine had to completely come out, gearbox off, changed the timing chain, which was really slack, and there's about like 8 of them on the back of the engine, it looked like. And while he was there, he also sorted a couple of mechanical issues for us, like a brake caliper that was seizing on, and some other work. But like I say, check out Ben's video. We'll link it in the description below so that you can find that. It's actually a really good video. For his first YouTube video, absolutely incredible. A lot of you were concerned that there would be some kind of valve contact with pistons and things, because if the timing had gone too loose or jumped too much, there might have been some collisions, but he actually bore scoped it, no problems whatsoever. So it was a bit of a gamble, and we did get lucky, but it now runs an absolute dream, and it's smooth as silk. So at this stage, I feel like we're in quite a good place with this car. We paid £3,000 for it in the first place, which I thought was really cheap considering the retail value for this car is £9,000. I spent £2,500 with Ben having the timing chain and other bits and pieces of work done, which I think was a really fair price. In fact, he tried to charge me under 2, but I insisted that he had 2.5 because I'm so generous. I felt like he was undercharging, so yeah, we paid him a fair amount. And we may as well, because we've still got a really healthy margin in this, and else owes us about £5,500 and is worth £9,000. So we've got a £3,500 margin, but the work isn't entirely complete yet. I'll get back to the garage and I'm going to tell you a few other things that we need to get done. So for those of you who have seen the last video, obviously we've done all the mechanical work, so it now sounds absolutely gorgeous and has got rid of that horrible rattle. I have had the front corner painted by James at J Repairs because there was a bit of a biff going on there. We've also MOT'd it. After all the mechanical stuff that Ben did, we sent it to MOT and absolutely sailed through, so that's good news. But there's still a few things we want to do. It's looking a bit grubby. The wheels are horrendous. They've definitely seen better days. Now these would have been diamond cut, and I don't think necessarily they've ever been refurbished before. I can't decide now, looking at those, whether we re-diamond cut them, or what I was originally thinking was going ferric grey, which is a BMW colour that we did on the BMW X6. And you all seem to like it. You seem to think that was a good choice. And I think it probably will be as well. Now, controversially, some of you won't like it, but I think I am going to de-chrome this here, just because I think it will make the car look more modern. And to go along with that, around the front, I have ordered, quite cheaply, off of eBay, a set of black kidney grills. Now, I don't dislike chrome, but I do think that it will make this 2013 car look quite a bit more modern. So that's what we're going to do. After that, there's a couple of little jobs we need to do tracking, because Ben's had the entire subframe off. Although it's come back pretty straight, we're going to make sure we're going to get that checked. The back bumper round here seems to foul the boot lid for some reason, so I think that needs to come off and be re-clipped on again. But other than that, there's not a huge amount left to do with this car, other than, I've just remembered, regas the air conditioning. So we had to degas it for Ben, and we haven't regassed it yet, so the aircon is nice cold again, and obviously some Barrow Motors plates. Then the other thing we need to do is give this a good valet, because while this is an absolutely lovely place to be with a big pan opening sunroof, heated leather and all that sort of stuff, it is quite grubby in here, and obviously the paintwork would benefit from a good polish as well. So we are going to get all of that done in this video. And by the end, you will see the finished product of this car and how you can win it on Feel Good competitions for just £1. Yeah, a lot of you asked for it in the last video. When it's repaired, can we have it as a competition car? And that is exactly what we're going to do. In fact, that was always my intention, really, is if we can fix this, I think it would make a really good competition car because it's an amazing SUV. It's the 40D, so it's a really quick car. It's got great spec, nice roof, leather, all that sort of stuff. And when we're done with it, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And you could win it for just £1. And as per usual, we will do our bundle offers. So I think on this occasion, because it's £1 a ticket, it'll be buy 20 tickets and we'll give you 15 for free. So don't hang about with getting you tickets. But before you invest, we are going to get all this work done. And probably the next thing you'll see will be some lovely cinematic shots of this looking absolutely gorgeous. See you then. So the BMW X5 is finished, and I know what you're thinking. I said that I was going to dechrome it, change the grills, and the wheels were going to be ferret grey and all that sort of stuff, and obviously that hasn't happened. What happened was we sent the car over to Western Wheel Refurbs with Charlie, and I said, make sure you tell them I'd like it in ferret grey, which I think he did, and I think somewhere lost in translation, they've done the interior of the wheels in ferret grey, and then they've diamond cut them again on the front. It does need a clean again now, and we've got new centre caps coming, but we're on a tight schedule here, folks, so please bear with us. When it came back, I thought, you know what, actually, it's really freshened it up, having those freshly diamond cut alloy wheels, and then it fits in well with the chrome trim. I know a lot of you will say in the comments that you much prefer the chrome trim to the blacked out stuff. I think it all depends on the type of car, maybe, but I thought, you know what, actually, we'll leave it. We have got black grills, they haven't gone in, but I will put them in the car for the winner, but I think now it does look, it just looks really smart and really clean. Bit of tyre shine on there. We'll give it another wipe over because it's just everything's covered in dust at the minute because it's so dry. But yeah, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It runs like a dream. It sounds amazing and good service history, 2 keys, all that sort of stuff. So I think it'd be a perfect raffle prize. I hope you'll get involved. At this stage of the game, this year alone, we have raised £14,000 for Jack's neuroblastoma journey. It may even be more. As we're filming this, we haven't quite finalised the Jaguar video, so it could do a little bit more. I'm absolutely blown away by the support. Thank you so much. We will keep doing these competitions. I'll keep giving you updates on Jack as well, who is, as I may have already said in a previous video, is now in remission, thank goodness. Although he has also now managed to break his arm going to the cinema, the poor lad. The whole point of raising the money is that he needs this vaccine in America that's only available over there, which will stop this kind of really aggressive and highly reoccurring cancer from coming back. And that is his best chance of doing that. So thank you for everyone who has got involved. Let me just walk you around and show you then. So obviously we have got the newly diamond cut wheels. We've given it a quick polish, but it does need a clean again. It's looking 10 times better. I think we still need to give it a valet inside. We still need to regas the aircon. And I've got some new BMW centre caps coming because these ones look like they've got some kind of horrible condition. Obviously, the bulk of what's been done here is converting this from a rattly, horrible, sounding like it's on its last legs BMW X5 into something that sounds absolutely amazing and looks really good. And in fact, as we're filming this, Mike Brewer and James, who sold us this car for £3,000 because it was so bad, will be coming here today. So I might stick it in the showroom and maybe if we're lucky, we will get their reaction to how this sounds now. Mike and James are here, the lovely gentleman who sold us the BMW X5 because it was rattling its nut off, wasn't it?
Yes.
It went great,
we thought there was a snake in the boot.
Yeah.
But it was bad.
There was, my favourite saying is 2 skeletons shagging on a tin roof.
Yes, it was like, it was 2 skeletons shagging on a tin roof. I'm going to use that in the future. It was pretty bad, yeah, so apologies.
But our friend Ben, no
Yes.
apologies because we got it at the right price and we thought we could probably fix it. And we thought it was a timing chain.
Brave.
And I want you to hear it now that our friend Ben has worked his magic on it. You won't believe it's the same car.
Right, so this was called the Rattler before because it rattled terribly. So now...
Wow. Wow.
Smooth as silk.
Do you know what you're going to call it now? Jesus. It's resurrected.
It was around Easter time as well.
It's
And
resurrected.
you've done this bumper scuff as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
And you've
That
done the
sounds
wheels?
amazing.
The wheels were hanging, weren't they?
It's beautiful.
So, what was it, Joe? Was it the timing chain?
It was, yeah. The guides, I guess, had gone loose, which is a common thing, I believe. Our friend Ben took the whole engine gearbox out. He was hoping he could take just the gearbox off and get to it, but you can't. So the whole thing out, completely take it apart. The chains were, you know, flapping all over the place. That's what all that noise was. He put his bore scope down to make sure that the pistons and, what do they call them? Valves hadn't hit with the pistons. That was all good. He's thrown it all together and, yeah, it's beautiful. It flies on now.
Yeah, we've changed our mind now.
Yeah,
we'll have it back. We'll pull it out for us.
Send
Can you
us
put some
the
petrol in
knock
it
it
for
off
us,
the other
cheers?
two.
We actually took this in against my X5 that I was
It
driving.
was your X5, yes.
Well done, very much so.
You've done a great job. And Ben is a genius.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You'll love that.
congratulations. Well done, Ben. You're a top man. Is he available?
No, do you know what?
Is he local?
I've pinched him from somewhere else, so I'm singing his praises because he's my new technician.
Has he ever been to Warwick or Leamington Spa? Would he like a free weekend in Warwick and Leamington Spa?
Cut. He's our employee. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can win this for just £1 a ticket. And if you buy 20 tickets, which will cost you £20, I will give you another 10 for free. And if you buy 40 tickets, which will cost you £40, I will give you 20 for free. But on top of that, I'll also give you 15 entries into our technology bundles as well. So you'll find that on the website. As soon as you click on the advert, it will pop up and offer you that. The more you buy, the more tickets you get, and they're all worth exactly the same. It's all an extra chance to be able to win this car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially as when we hit 200,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a £5,500 Tudor watch, completely free. You don't have to do anything other than subscribe, which costs you nothing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.